Hello everyone, this is exercise 5.3 and we will start from question number third. And third question, in every question we have to find dy upon dx, and third question is ax plus by square which is equal to cos y. So differentiate with respect to x. So differential of x, which is only 1, so only a remaining, and b is constant, so no problem, and differential of y square, that is 2y, but dy upon dx also. And right side differential of cos y, which is minus sin y, but dy upon dx also. Since we have to find the value of dy upon dx, and here dy upon dx present in two terms. First one is 2by into dy upon dx, and second is, which is in right side, minus sin y dy upon dx. So this is the minus sign, so this term transfer to left side, and this constant a transfer to right side. So 2by dy upon dx plus, it will be positive, so sin y dy upon dx, and a, it will be negative, it means minus a. Now dy upon dx is common, so only 2by plus sin y remaining, and this bracket transparent to right side, so your answer is dy upon dx, which is equal to minus a upon 2by plus sin y. Now next question, same as this, we have to find the value of dy upon dx. So xy plus y square, which is equal to 10x plus y. So once again differentiate with respect to x. So here x into y, it means product of two function. So first function as it is, differential of second it means dy upon dx, plus y as it is, differential of first, that is 1, differential of x, which is 1. Now differential of y square, that is 2y, but dy upon dx also, because here we are differentiating with respect to x. Now differential of 10x, which is sec square x, and differential of y, that is 1, but dy upon dx. Let's see, this is dy upon dx, and this is dy upon. So this term dy upon dx transfer to left side, and this is term which is free from dy upon dx, so it will be transferred to right side. So x dy upon dx as it is, this 2y dy upon dx also as it is, and this is dy upon dx transfer into left side, so it will be negative. Sec square x as it is, and this y transfer into right side, so it will be minus y. Now dy upon dx is common, so here x plus 2y and minus 1 remaining. Now transfer this bracket into right side, so it will be sec square x minus y upon x plus 2y minus 1. This is your answer. Now next question number 50. X square plus xy plus y square, which is equal to 100. So differentiate with respect to x. Differential of x square, which is only 2x. Here we will use product law. First function as it is, differential of second, it means dy upon dx. Now second as it is, it means y as it is, differential of first, that is 1. And differential of y square, which is 2y, and dy upon dx also. Here dy upon dx present in second and fourth term, so second and fourth term. From second and fourth term, dy upon dx is common, so x plus 2y remaining, and 2x plus y transfer to right side, so both will be negative. Here minus sign is common, so 2x plus y, it means both will be positive. Now throw this bracket on right side, so you will get dy upon dx, which is minus 2x plus y upon x plus 2y. This is the answer. Now question number 6. X cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube, which is equal to 81. So differentiate with respect to x. So differential of x cube, that is 3x square. Now here we will use product law. First function x square as it is, differential of second, it means dy upon dx. Now second as it is, it means y as it is, differential of first, that is 2x. Plus here once again we will use product law. So first function x as it is, differential of second, so differential of y square, which is 2y, but dy upon dx also, plus y square as it is, and differential of x, that is 1, and differential of x cube, y cube, which is 3y square into dy upon dx equal to 0. Okay, here 3x square plus 2xy, and this y square transfer into right side, and here dy upon dx present in second, and this is the fourth, and this is the last. So dy upon dx is common, so only x square remaining, and from here it will be 2xy, and from last term it is 3y square, and 3x square, it will be negative, 2xy, it will be negative, and y square also negative. All terms are negative, so take minus sign is common out. So only 3x square plus 2xy plus y square remaining. Now throw this bracket into right side, so dy upon dx is with minus sign 3x square plus 2xy plus y square upon x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. This is the answer. Now next question number 7. Sin square y plus cos x into y equal to k, where k is any constant. Differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of sin square y it means sin y whole square, plus d by dx of cos x into y, and here also differential of k, that will be 0. Now first suppose this is x to the power 2, it means x to the power n. So this 2 comes first, so 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1. So 2 sin y whole raised to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now differential of sin y, that is cos y by chain rule, into dy upon dx also, because this is the term of y and we are differentiating with respect to x. Now d by dx of cos x into y, since differential of cos x which is minus sin x, so this is the minus sign, and sin the term is xy, so write xy as it is. Now by chain rule differential of x into y also, so x as it is, differential of y, that is dy upon dx, plus y as it is, and differential of x, that is 1, and differential of constant which is already 0. Now open this bracket, it means multiplied by minus sin xy. So minus sin xy into x, so minus sin y minus sin xy into x into dy upon dx, and once again this is the minus and this is a plus, so plus minus, once again minus, and y into sin x into y into sin x into y. Now dy upon dx present in first and second term, so this third term transfer into right side. So first dy upon dx is common, so 2 sin y cos y, it means sin 2y, it is a formula of sin 2y, half the angle formula, and from here x into sin xy remaining, x into sin xy remaining, and it will be positive. Now throw this bracket into right side, so this is your answer, dy upon dx, which is equal to y into sin xy upon sin 2y minus x into sin xy. Next question number 8, same as this. Sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1. Sin square x, so differentiate with respect to x, and d by dx of sin x square, it means in place of sin square x, right, sin x whole square, and same as here d by dx of cos y whole square, and right side differential of 1, which is 0. Now, first 2 comes here, so it will be 2 sin x power 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now differential of sin x, which is cos x by chain rule, same as here, first 2 come here, and the power of cos y, which is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now differential of cos y, which is minus sin y, but dy upon dx also. Now this is the formula of sin 2x, 2 sin x into cos x, sin 2x, same as this, minus sign, put minus sign here, so it is 2 sin y into cos y, it means sin 2y. Now this minus sin 2y into dy upon dx transfer into right side, so it will be positive, and we have to find the value of dy upon dx. So sin 2x divided by this sin 2y, so this is your answer. Now from question number 9 to 15, all are same questions, and for this question we have to remember some formulas of previous year. First, half the angles formula of sin 2a, which is 2 sin a into cos a, cos 2a, which is cos square a minus sin square a, this is the first formula, in the term of cos alone, which is 2 times cos square a minus 1, in the term of sin alone, which is 1 minus 2 sin square a, and tan 2a, which is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a, sin 2a break into half the angle, but in the term of tan, which is 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a, and same as cos 2a break into half the angle, but in the term of tan theta, which is 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. And one more formula of tan 3a, which is 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. So let's see the first question, question number 9. Y is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now let's see here, 2x, this is 2x upon 1 plus x square. So 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. So in place of this x, put x is equal to tan theta. Then theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now x in place of x, tan theta, write tan theta. So it will be 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square, it is a formula of sin 2 theta. Here sin inverse and sin cancel out, only 2 theta remaining, and in place of this theta write tan inverse x. So y is equal to 2 times tan inverse x, which is very simple equation. Now differentiate with respect to x. So it will be dy upon dx, 2 as it is, and differential of tan inverse x, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So your answer is 2 upon 1 plus x square. Now same as this, question number 10. Y is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. So let's focus on this formula tan 3a, which is 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan a. So once again, in place of x write tan theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now y is equal to tan inverse, in place of this x write tan theta. So it will be 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So it is a formula of tan 3 theta. Tan inverse and tan cancel out, only 3 theta remaining. In place of theta write tan inverse x, this is, and differentiate with respect to x. So your answer is dy upon dx is equal to 3, and differential of tan inverse x, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So your final answer is 3 upon 1 plus x square. Now next question number 11, which is also same as this. Y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Let's see here, cos 2a, which is 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. So in this question, once again we have to put x is equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse x. So y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So this is the formula of cos 2 theta. Cos inverse and cos cancel out, only 2 theta remaining, and in place of this theta write tan inverse x. So this is a very simple equation. Y is equal to 2 times tan inverse x. So differentiate with respect to x, you will get dy upon dx, which is equal to 2, and differential of tan inverse x, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So your final answer is dy upon dx, which is 2 upon 1 plus x square. Now question number 12. Y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So once again put x is equal to tan theta. So it will be 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And this is the formula of cos 2 theta. But this is a sin inverse. So in place of this cos 2 theta, use sin 90 minus theta. So sin 90 means pi by 2 minus this is 2 theta. Since sin 90 minus theta, which is cos theta, now here sin inverse and sin cancel out, only pi by 2 minus 2 theta remaining, and in place of this theta write tan inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So pi by 2, which is constant, so differential of constant 0 minus 2 as it is, and differential of tan inverse x, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So your final answer is minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. Now same as question number 13. In 13, this is 2x upon 1 plus x square. It is a formula of sin 2 theta. So put x is equal to tan theta, then theta is equal to tan inverse x. So it will be y is equal to cos inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So it will be sin 2 theta. But this is the cos inverse. So in place of this sin theta, write cos 90 minus theta, because cos 90 minus theta, which is sin theta. So here cos and cos inverse cancel out, and pi by 2 minus only 2 theta remaining, because here theta is 2 theta. Once again in place of theta write tan inverse x and differentiate with respect to x. So differential of pi by 2, which is 0, and this is minus 2, and differential of tan inverse x, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So once again your answer is minus 2 upon 1 plus x square, and last two questions remaining. So let's see here, this is the y, sin inverse 2x upon under root 2x into under root 1 minus x square. It is a formula of sin 2a. So put x is equal to sin theta, because in sin 2a, which is 2 sin a cos a. So this is 2 x, it means sin theta, and here also write sin theta. So under root 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta, and under root also, so it is only cos theta remaining. So 2 sin theta into cos theta, that is sin 2 theta. Sin inverse and sin cancel out, only 2 theta remaining, and in place of this theta write sin inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx, which is equal to 2, and differential of sin inverse x, which is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So this is your answer, 2 upon under root 1 minus x square. And same as last question, y is equal to sec inverse 1 upon 2x square minus 1 and 2x square minus 1. Let's see here. This is the formula of cos 2a. Cos 2a, which is 2 cos square a minus 1. So here 2x square, it means 2 cos square a minus 1. So in place of this x, write cos theta. So theta is equal to cos inverse x. Then your step, it will be y is equal to sec inverse 1 upon 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1, it means cos 2 theta. 1 upon cos 2 theta, that is sec 2 theta, and sec inverse and sec cancel out, only 2 theta remaining. So differentiate with respect to x, and in place of theta write cos inverse x. When you differentiate, you will get dy upon dx 2 as it is, and differential of cos inverse, which is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So your answer is minus 2 upon under root 1 minus x square. This is the end of our exercise 5.3.